Hello, here we are introducing our new linked in Unity chain link interchangeable necklace system here. So we've got our necklace that will come with the silver piece already attached. Here you'll be able to use all of your Sarda magnet enhancer bales to enhance your necklace there. But if you'd like to switch it out to our stone pieces, what you'll do is take your end piece here on the safety pin. You'll twist your chain link ball, move it down to the end to open it up, slide your jump ring on, twist that closed, making sure that it is fully closed. Grab your other piece, do the same thing. We'll twist it to open it up, slide on our jump ring. Oops. There we go. Twist the ball so that it closes to bring in a new stone interchangeable necklace. Now the cool thing with this is if you'd like to do a more choker style necklace, you'll just open that up and you can use the bracelet component pieces. Just set that down, pull that out. There we go. So here, now we can grab our bracelet component, slide that on, closing the safety pin, make sure that's fully open, slide the jump ring on like that, make sure it's fully closed, and now you've got a choker style necklace. So we do offer this necklace in two sizes. We've got an 18-inch with a 2-inch extender, and we also have a 20-inch with a 2-inch extender.